New in Cell Architect 3.7 is the ability to run multiple sensitivity or optimization analyses on the interface. Let me show you how you can do that. If we go to this already existing interface and we double click on the play button, you'll see that there are two actions, restore all devices and run sensitivity. You'll see that when I choose the run sensitivity action, that it is type run sensitivity, and then it prompts me as the author to choose which analysis I want to run. Do I want to run the default sensi, meaning the sensitivity analysis that would be run when I hit the S run, otherwise known as the active sensitivity analysis? Or do I want to run one or the other specific named sensitivity analyses? So if we come and take a look at the model analysis tools, and we look at the sensitivity analyses, you'll see that there are two sensitivity analyses in this model. The efficacy sensitivity, which is not active, and the combined sensitivity, which is active. Because the combined sensitivity is active, it's the one that will be run when the S run is pressed, and it is also the one that will be run when the default sensi is the analysis chosen. If we wanted to, for instance, run an optimization, we can remove the run sensitivity action, add a new run optimization action, and it too has the same setup where you can choose which optimization you want to run.